Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are a content creator and you make money on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram through affiliate links, or if you make money through brand deals, this video is for you because there are changes coming to Nigeria's tax law in 2026 that would affect how you earn, how you spend, and how you report your income. My name is Wura. I'm a tax and finance expert, and I'm your favorite financial educator. So let's start with the biggest one, which is that your digital income is now taxable in Nigeria. So any money that you make from YouTube, from TikTok bonuses, from brand deals, from using affiliate links, everything is taxable. Money you get from your brand deals, even if you get them online, even if you get them from foreign sources, from foreign companies, even if you earn them in dollars, you now have to report them to the FIRS and they are now all taxable. So now those brand deals and those monies that you get from YouTube, even if they pay you in dollars, they pay you through PayPal, you now have to report them to the federal government when you are filing your taxes. Well, the kind of good news is that you can now file your taxes yourself via the Tax Pro Max portal, so you do not necessarily need an agent anymore. You're able to file your personal income tax online, and you're also able to pay your taxes directly without any middleman or without using an agent. Also, payment apps like Flutterwave, like Paystack, will now be linked to the FIRS system, so they are now able to track all your earnings for tax purposes. So it's really important that when you file your taxes, you are actually reporting the correct amount, because now if you get paid through those payment apps, the FIRS will be able to see exactly how much you're getting paid, so they can use that to calculate the amount of taxes that you should be paying. So by 2026, expect a 5% flat rate tax on most freelance or influencer gigs or influencer payments. This means that before the brands or before the companies give you your money, they are going to deduct a 5% withholding tax from that money. So technically you're getting like 95% of whatever amount you agreed to, which sounds like it's going to be simpler than it was before. Now here is another big one. If you earn from abroad, like those your YouTube payouts or your TikTok bonuses that you get from the US, the FIRS now expects you to include that money as part of your earnings when you are reporting your taxes in Nigeria. So it doesn't matter whether the money hits your Nigerian account, if it hits a foreign bank account, if they pay you through PayPal, if they pay you through Stripe, you are now required to report all those USD earnings as part of your earnings in Nigeria when you are filing or reporting your taxes. Now about VAT, value added tax. The percentage is remaining at 7.5% for now, but if you sell digital products like ebooks, like online courses, and your revenue is over, or your sales crosses the 25 million naira mark, you now have to register for VAT and charge VAT on all of your sales. Foreign platforms like YouTube and Meta are currently already required to charge VAT on all the subscriptions, but now even that is also being expanded. Another key update is that by 2026, you will likely be required to register your creator business with the CAC and get a tax identification number for you to even be able to get brand deals and also qualify for tax deductions. Registering your creator business not only helps you to be compliant, but it also gives you the opportunity to deduct legitimate business expenses like your internet cost, like your equipment. This also will help you to reduce your taxable income. Also, the FIRS plans to use digital tools like AI to catch, those that are not reporting the correct income, or that are not filing the correct taxes. So it's really important that you're keeping track of all of your income, all of your expenses, and you're reporting this at the right time and in the correct amount. So to summarize, your digital income is now taxable. Number two, you will now be able to file your taxes yourself using Tax Pro Max portal, and you will also be able to pay your taxes yourself without the need of any middleman or any agent. Number three, withholding tax will now be simplified. So now there would be a 5% flat rate on all of your freelance or your influencer gigs. So remember that these companies will withhold 5% from your pay and then give you the balance, and then they are now required to file that amount with the FIRS. Number four, all of your global earnings must be reported. So those YouTube payouts, those TikTok bonuses, those affiliate links, everything now needs to be reported to the FIRS. Even if the money is not deposited into a Naira account, even if you get the money in USD or in any other currency, you are now required to report that amount to the FIRS. Nigeria is also joining other global countries in their digital tax tracking. So now they would have a way to track monies that you make in foreign countries. VAT, value added tax, remains at 7.5%, but remember that if you sell digital products or services like ebooks or like online courses, and your sales or your revenue crosses the 25 million naira mark, you are likely required now to register for VAT and start charging that 7.5% on all of your sales. Lastly, the FIRS system is going to be linked with payment apps like Flutterwave, like Paystack. So now the FIRS can actually keep tabs on all the revenue that you're getting, and they can also use this to track your taxes. So again, it's really important that you're keeping track of your income, you're keeping track of your expenses, and you're filing at the right time to avoid penalties or fees. So don't wait till the last minute. Start organizing your creator finances now. Start putting systems in place to make sure that you are ready come beginning of 2026. If you found this video very helpful, please subscribe to my channel so that you can know when I post a new content. Also, please like this video and share this video with your content creator friends, family members, and anyone that you feel needs to hear about this. Thank you. See you next time.